How to fix Instagram following glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, if you have an iPhone, just restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it on again and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to Play Store or App Store, this one for both Instagram, Android or iOS. Just make sure your Instagram is updated, and now restart your phone again and try again. And if that doesn't fix it and you have an Android phone, go to settings, apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and select Instagram and click offload. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.